Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I would love to show you how to crochet this adorable little shamrock applique. I've actually turned this into a keyring, but that is completely optional. You can just make it as an applique without the keychain for any kind of like blanket decoration or something of the sort. And I want to say a huge thank you to one of my best friends that actually came up with this pattern, and they were more than happy for me to make a video tutorial of this, so they shared it with me so I can share it with you lot. So full credit goes to them, so thank you again for this pattern. So let's jump right in. To start with, I'll be using a 4mm crochet hook, which is also known as a G, a nice shamrock shade of green, but that can be any green. I just really like this colour here. We need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle, and then like I said, a keyring and a jump ring are completely optional. The ice cream man's coming past. So to start off, we're going to create a magic ring, and every single stitch will be worked into this ring, so make sure that you don't pull it too tight. You want to leave a nice gap to work into. So to start off the first leaf, you can either do 3 or 4. For this video I'll show you how to do the 4-leafed clover. So I'm going to start off with a chain 4. And next I'm going to do 2 double treble crochets into the magic ring. And now I'm going to chain 4. And then anchor that chain down into the magic ring with a nice simple single crochet. Just make sure everything's pulled nice and tight. So there's the first leaf, so I will make one more on camera with you, and then we'll jump ahead to the stem of the clover here. So again, I'm going to chain 4. And then create 2 double treble crochets into the magic ring. And then chain 4 and then do a single crochet into the magic ring again to anchor it down. There we go, so that's my second leaf done. Now for this video I'm going to do another 4-leaf clover, so I'm just going to jump ahead and I'll meet you after I've finished my 4th leaf. So there we go, I've made my 4th leaf. Now like I said, that is optional. You can just do 3 for a 3-leaved clover, and I'm just going to show you how to do the stem now. So this one's really easy. I'm just going to chain 5. And then I'm going to single crochet into the second loop from the hook, so this one here, and single crochet back down to the start. And now for my very last stitch into the magic ring, it's just going to be a single crochet just to hold everything together. Okay, so it looks pretty scruffy right now, so I'm just going to take the original magic ring tail and I'm going to pull that nice and tight. Now I'm just going to tie a nice knot here so I know that they won't come undone. Then I'm going to thread up my yarn needle and work a few stitches through the magic ring with both of these tails and then snip it off so I know that they won't come unravelled. So there we go, that's how you make one of these adorable little 4-leaf clover appliques. Like I said, the keyring idea is completely optional. Just make sure that you go through the single crochet and make sure it's a nice tight jump ring on there as well. So make sure that it's really closed well so it won't come undone. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.